Okay guys, I'm in the 260 John Deere Bobcat Series 1, I think. It says 2000. It's a diesel 3-cylinder John Deere. And it had repeated problems with it not starting. So I got my phone. I already videotaped the Ford already on my DSLR, but I'm going to use my phone on this one to test the quality. So we'll see if it actually starts. I don't know, it usually just clicks, so we'll see what happens here. Look at that, it started. Hours. Can't believe it started. It started yesterday and the day before for me, but it won't start for my dad, but it'll start for me. Look at that, it likes me. The starter sounds weak. There's a cold start for you. It's cold today. I got my coat on, you know. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that kind of a bad start or old start, or cold start I should say. This was started yesterday. Alright, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna drive around a little bit, charge the battery up now.